Cakes by Gigi. Hello friends, I'm Gitesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cakes by Gigi. Every year, third Sunday of the month of June is celebrated as Father's Day. So 21st June 2020 is Father's Day. Cakes by Gigi. So this year I have made 10 thank you notes for my father. Why? To thank him for everything. First, let's make thank you notes. Take a paper and cut it into different shapes. Like this. These are my 10 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is circle. This is triangle. This is square. This is rectangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. Octagon. Diamond, oval, heart. Now I will write thank you notes on these shapes. You can also write your own thank you notes. Let's watch what I have written. I am thankful to you for playing games with me, teaching me good things, telling stories, taking me to different places, bringing toys for me, reading book with me, making me happy when I am sad, listening to me always, for my birthday celebrations, for your love and care. To make an envelope, take any printed paper or a plain paper, like this one here. Fold it like this. Keeping all these notes in this envelope. This surprise envelope is ready. Happy Father's Day! Please subscribe to my channel for my more videos and don't forget to view, like and share my videos.